So I got one of these dish doohickeys. I'm going to show you how to change the battery in it. All right, so on the back, you're going to see there's a little area there. I get my nail in there like this, and I pop it just like that. Well, I try to pop it. Oh, there we go. Got it. That was not easy. Now we got to pull these old batteries out. So I'm going to do it from the bottom up. Just got to get my fingernail in. There we go. Oh, shoot. I got to get 4 batteries. Look, I got to get 2 more. Damn it. All right, I'm back. So if you look, it kind of shows you a schematic, you see? So it shows you that the negative side's going this way. So the negative side on a battery is that flat area, and that nub's the positive. So we got to set them in there like that. So we're going to go ahead and put them in the negative side first. And then we got to get this bad boy in there here. Oops, that's not good. Get over there. There we go. Now we got the last one. Negative side, push it, and bam, done. Now we just got to set this on there. And this thing was really hard to get in and out. So I'm just going to push it from the back. I kind of slide it up, bam. To get it off of there, I went like that. But man, it did not want to come off. So if you push really hard, look, it still doesn't want to come off. Man, that's ridiculous. So you might have to get like a, you know, that's crazy. So I need to get something. So I got this. And so if I put that there like that, I should be able to pop it. But man, it does not want to go, does it? Oh, there we go. So you may have a problem with this. You know what I mean? So you may have to get something to pop it out like I just did. Because that thing, when it gets in there, you know what I mean? It gets in there. It locks up here and over here. So anyway, let's give it a try and see if it works. Ah, it works. Bam, done. All right, so anyway, that's how you do it. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other videos. Peace out.